Hi folks, and welcome to Masterclass on the road. I want to share with you something I do every time I have a pit stop when I'm out traveling with a camper or a caravan, and that's a quick look around my trailer, see if I can spot any problems before they become big issues. First thing I do is usually have a look at the hitch, make sure all my cables are plugged in, my shackles are still there, everything looks good, pins are in, give it a bit of a shake, no strange rattles, just check everything, have a bit of a look around, grab my wheels, give them a shake, make sure there's no bearing slop or any problems there. General glance around, quick look, make sure my camber and my tow-in's still all right on the trailer, no weird wear or cupping on the tread. General gloss over, nothing obviously missing, all my doors and cabinets are shut, great. Now I'm ready to go and do what I actually stopped for and then hit the road again, get some kilometres done. So excuse me, I'll see you next time on Masterclass.